welcome Kuya James!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday
Sige po, family picture po sila. Family picture po.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, look at the camera. Ready? 1, 2, 3, smile! Okay, this time sa ating mga guests, sabay-sabay natin sigawan ng Happy Birthday James ang ating celebrant in 3, 2, 1, and shout! Ayan, thank you so much. And this time sa ating mga guests, remain standing lang po tayo because magkakaroon pa tayo ng ating mini warm-up. Okay? And para po sa ating mini warm-up, everybody, taas ang kamay. Hands up po, hands up. Ayan, taas po ang kamay. Okay lang po ba? Kasama po si Kuya James dito sa harap. Okay, James, come here. Ayan, hands up po tayo, taas ang kamay. Ayan, ang hindi magtaas ang kamay, alam niyo na. Ayan, very good. Okay, na, for our mini warm-up, napakasimple lang po ng gagawin natin, okay? Gagayahin lang natin ang tuka ng isang ibon, 4 na beses. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Next to meron tayong tuka ng manok, meron tayong pakpak. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kung meron tayong pakpak,